I never been a snake, so I ain't matching energy. Cause them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, just stay tuned with me. We never starve, I got a dub, then we got 10 apiece. Feel a fake through them handshakes, you ain't no kin to me. Call your brother behind your back, they really frenemies. Man, them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, stay tuned with me. If you my dog, then you my dog.
Hey guys, Vlogmas day 2, baby. My dinner: honey barbecue wings, honey mustard, and my salmon, shrimp and broccoli, rigatoni pasta. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in Vlogmas day 3 video.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?